Are you terrified of drowning in debt? Like the weight of the world is pressing down on you, and no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to break free? Like you're stuck under a mountain of bills and debt, gasping for air? Every day feels like a battle, and the pile of unpaid bills just keeps growing. You're not alone. Millions of Americans are struggling with debt. It's a silent epidemic, affecting families, individuals, and even entire communities. It's a heavyweight, a constant source of stress and worry. The anxiety can be overwhelming, making it hard to focus on anything else. I know because I've been there. I remember those sleepless nights, the constant worry gnawing at the back of my mind. I remember staring at my credit card statements, the numbers blurring together in a sea of red ink. It felt like I was drowning in a never-ending ocean of debt. $40,000 in debt. It was a staggering amount, and I couldn't see a way out. It felt impossible, an insurmountable obstacle standing between me and my dreams. Every day was a struggle, and the future seemed bleak. I was overwhelmed, lost, and didn't know where to turn. The stress was taking a toll on my health, my relationships, and my overall well-being. But I knew I couldn't stay stuck. I had to find a way out, not just for myself, but for my family and my future. I had to find a way out. I started researching, looking for solutions, and slowly but surely, I began to see a glimmer of hope. It wasn't easy, and it took time, but I learned that with determination and the right strategies, it is possible to overcome even the most daunting financial challenges. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content to help you on your financial journey. That's when I made a decision. I decided to take control of my finances, no matter what it took. No more excuses, no more delaying the inevitable. I knew it wouldn't be easy, but I was determined to break free from the chains of debt. The traditional advice of cutting back and getting a second job didn't resonate with me. I needed something more, something drastic. That's when the idea of multiple income streams hit me. What if, instead of relying on one source of income, I could create several? This idea, while daunting at first, quickly became my beacon of hope. It was a way to attack the debt from multiple angles, to chip away at it faster than I ever thought possible. I dove headfirst into the world of side hustles, determined to find any and every way to generate extra income. The initial phase was a whirlwind of research and brainstorming. I explored every avenue, from online platforms offering freelance work to local opportunities within my community. The key was to be open-minded, to step outside my comfort zone and embrace the unknown. My first successful income stream came from freelancing my skills. I had always been a decent writer, so I signed up on online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, offering my writing and editing services. The projects started small, but they gradually grew in size and frequency. Each completed task, each satisfied client, fueled my determination. The money I earned from freelancing went directly towards paying down my debt. Seeing those balances shrink, even if it was just a little bit at a time, was incredibly motivating. It proved to me that my efforts were making a tangible difference. Remember that old saying, turn your passion into profit? Well, I decided to put it to the test. I'd always enjoyed photography, often spending my weekends exploring the city and capturing its hidden gems. So I started selling prints of my photos online and at local craft fairs. To my surprise, people loved my work. The income wasn't consistent, but those extra bursts of cash provided a much-needed boost to my debt repayment plan. Plus, turning my hobby into a side hustle brought a sense of joy and fulfillment to the entire journey. The rise of the sharing economy opened up a whole new world of possibilities. I listed my spare bedroom on Airbnb, welcoming travelers into my home and sharing stories from around the globe. Not only did this generate a significant stream of income, but it also allowed me to connect with people from all walks of life. I also joined ride-sharing platforms, utilizing my car to earn money during my free time. These gigs, while demanding at times, provided a flexible way to increase my income and chip away at my debt. The momentum continued as I explored every avenue imaginable. I walked dogs, pet-sitted, tutored students, participated in paid online surveys, and even sold handmade crafts online. Each side hustle, no matter how small, contributed to the bigger picture. Some ventures proved more successful than others, but I learned valuable lessons along the way. I discovered hidden talents, honed my entrepreneurial skills, and developed a relentless work ethic. The key was to keep experimenting, to never stop searching for new and innovative ways to generate income. It was a journey filled with ups and downs, moments of doubt and flashes of hope. But now, here I was, standing at the precipice of a new beginning. Then came the pivotal moment, the moment I'd been working towards for months. Every late night, every sacrifice, every ounce of effort was about to pay off. I could feel the anticipation building up inside me as I opened my financial tracking software. I was sitting at my computer, reviewing my finances when it hit me. The numbers were finally aligning in my favor. The countless hours spent budgeting, the meticulous planning, and the unwavering discipline were all coming to fruition. I had paid off a significant chunk of my debt. The realization was almost surreal. I had been so focused on the process that I hadn't fully grasped the magnitude of my progress until that very moment. The progress was undeniable. The mountain I once faced now felt like a hill I was steadily climbing. Each payment, each reduction in debt was a step closer to financial freedom. The burden that once seemed insurmountable was now manageable. A wave of emotion washed over me, relief, pride, and a renewed sense of hope. I felt a deep sense of accomplishment, knowing that my hard work was paying off. The tears in my eyes were a testament to the emotional journey I had been on. It was in that moment that I knew, without a shadow of a doubt, that I would become debt-free. The vision of a debt-free life was no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality within my grasp. The impossible suddenly felt achievable, and I was more motivated than ever to keep pushing forward. With renewed vigor, I set new goals and mapped out the final steps of my journey. The light at the end of the tunnel was shining brighter than ever, guiding me towards a future of financial independence and peace of mind. Perseverance is not just a word. It's a mindset, a way of life. It's about pushing through the tough times, staying focused on your goals, and never giving up, no matter how hard things get. It took 15 months of relentless effort, but I finally paid off the entire $40,000 debt. Every single day was a challenge, but each small victory kept me going. I had to make sacrifices, cut down on unnecessary expenses, and stay disciplined with my budget. It wasn't easy. There were times when I wanted to give up, moments of doubt and exhaustion. I remember nights when I couldn't sleep, worrying about how I would make it through the next month. The stress was overwhelming, and the pressure was immense. But I kept reminding myself why I started this journey in the first place: to regain control of my finances, to achieve financial freedom, and to build a better future for myself and my family. I created a vision board with my financial goals and looked at it every day to stay motivated and to inspire others to do the same. Sharing my story with others gave me strength. I wanted to show people that it's possible to overcome financial struggles and achieve their dreams. I attended seminars, read books, and connected with others who were on similar journeys. Looking back, the most important lesson I learned was the power of perseverance. It's like climbing a mountain or running a marathon. The journey is tough, but reaching the summit or crossing the finish line makes it all worth it. It was the unwavering belief in myself, the refusal to give up, that ultimately led to my success. Confidence and self-belief are crucial. Even when others doubted me, I held on to my vision and kept pushing forward. And believe me, if I can do it, so can you. You have the strength within you to overcome any obstacle. Start today, take small steps, and stay committed to your goals. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. So go ahead, take that first step, and never look back. Your journey to success starts now. Have you ever faced a similar challenge with debt? What steps have you taken to overcome it? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else to take control of their finances. Intrigued by the idea of turning your passion into profit? Head over to our other video where I delve deeper into building more income streams, providing tips, tricks, and resources to help you get started. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your financial journey.